just got early access to amazing new technology from Wonder Dynamics, Wonder Studio. I've made a few videos I'll show you now. It's an AI tool that automatically animates lights and composes CG characters into a live action scene. So let's see what I've done. I'll show you how it works now. Okay, I'll create a new project. Now I'll upload a video I already filmed and edited. I'll put it here on the timeline. Now the video needs to recognize a character. I'll go to the next step now. Okay, scan frames for actors. Now the AI will look for actors on the video. I have to select which one do I want to use. Frame scanning. This is a short video. It's only 22 seconds. Okay, now I see it did recognize someone. Select a character. Okay. Now I'll select a character I want to use for the video. Okay, they have a selection here. I actually want to use this robot. I'll put it here. Okay, actor 1. Okay, next. Okay, start processing. Okay, now I'll select the resolution here. You only have two options now, 720 pixels or Full HD 1080 pixels. Okay, start processing. Now the project start rendering. Estimated runtime 35 minutes. I think it probably be more than that. I already used yesterday for a 3-second video. It was about 45 minutes. I think this will be a little bit more, but let's try. Let's see. They have a lot of cool characters here. Okay, I have the robot. Okay, I have this weird character here. Another robot. This is the professor. This is Sandy. This is a weird alien. That's another robot. Cute robot. This is like a toaster robot. That's a cool robot also. Radio bot. And this is weird. This is a robot head on a human body. The other characters, you can't use them yet. All kinds of aliens. Okay. This is by Aaron Sims, very well-known CGI artist. Okay, the video is ready now. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, I see. First impression, okay, I see. It does not recognize obstacles. You have to have a clear view, like here, for example. I still think it's amazing technology, and I'm sure it will be much better, faster than we think. And let's see another video I made. שוב אנחנו מוצאים את עצמנו ברחבה אחרי טיביליסי. שוב אנחנו מוצאים את עצמנו ברחבה אחרי טיביליסי. שוב אנחנו מוצאים את עצמנו ברחבה אחרי טיביליסי. If you want to use your own characters, you can do it. You have a character creation guideline. You can use your own characters from Blender or Maya. You have here a guideline how to use them, how to prepare them to use them in a Wonder Studio. You can see here, if you're a professional, I'm sure you can figure it out and use it in a Wonder Studio.